Empowering your inner voice, mastering self-confidence and assertiveness. Imagine waking up each morning feeling powerful, ready to face the world with confidence. That's what we're here to explore today. Self-confidence is not just a feeling, it's a skill you can build. Like a muscle, the more you use it, the stronger it becomes. First, understand that your thoughts shape your reality. Start your day with positive affirmations to set the tone for confidence. Assertiveness is your superpower in communicating your needs and boundaries. It's not about being loud but being clear and respectful. Embrace failures as stepping stones. Each setback is a lesson, not a defeat. This mindset shift can dramatically boost your self-assurance. Surround yourself with supporters who lift you up. The right crowd can be your echo chamber for positivity and growth. Finally, celebrate every small victory. Recognizing your progress reinforces self-belief and propels you further towards confidence and assertiveness.